will relax automatically after 1 minute. Boom, looks perfect. Oslo. Parking area for today. I'll park myself here as well. Ay, naka-relax na jud. After a long train travel from Bergen, after carrying a heavy load from Oslo Central Station going here, I could sit back and relax like this. Thank you, dear God. So relaxing. Oh, friends. Hi, friends. My name is Sandra, and you're watching Micro Moments. For today's video, I'll be featuring my room here in Oslo. This is a superior room of Radisson Blu Hotel that is located on 25th floor. Yeah, it's not just the room that is nice and huge or spacious for one person, but also the city view is nice. Yes, I checked it out earlier as I went inside. My friends, I checked at once Meengang, the city view, because this is the reason why I want to try this hotel for the view and not for luxurious experience. It's for the view. Yes, and let's take a look at my room now, so that after this one, friends, I could take a rest. It's almost 12 midnight here, and I really want to take a bath and then rest afterwards on that huge bed. Okay, let's start now, friends. From a relaxing place, relaxing chair over there, to a relaxing sitting area over here. So perfect place for work or just for staycation, for mukbang, or just checking out your favorite social media over here with your gadgets. It's nice. It's a nice place to sit. Why? What makes it perfect to sit here? You can just open the curtains, not the windows, friends, just the curtains, and you have the view, perfect view. You don't need to stand up to check out the view. You can view it from here. So if you're working, you can relax at the same time. Isn't it perfect? I don't really know what is the real purpose of this sitting area here, but it's comfortable chair here as well. Maybe for me, this sitting area is great because I put my things over here, so I could easily check out my things, what I need. So it's perfect. Or I can put my bag here and open it up so it will be easier for me to access what I need. So this sitting area is perfect. Hi friends, go over here. It's really nice that they have trash here. This is beside kettle and Nespresso machine for coffee if you want to drink coffee. But in my case, I don't drink coffee. So I could, if I want warm water, I could warm water here with the kettle. And let's check out here, friends. Yeah, they provided the guest with utensils. But before I went up here in the 25th floor, they told me already that I couldn't find food here because of the pandemic. And if I need or want something to eat or drink, I could just order it downstairs instead of the hotel put all the stuffs there that one could take and pay. Okay, let's go and open the cabinet as well. It's nice that cabinet has light inside, so you could really check out well what type of clothes you want to wear for a day, and if you need to iron it out, you have ironing here, see. And it's a plus factor, friends. It's my first time to be in a hotel room with almost a dozen of hanger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 11 pieces of hanger. And as usual, there is a safety cabinet that you can put your important stuffs while you're away. This side of the room, who doesn't love to take a bath, friends? Because I really do, because I feel tired and what do you call this, malagkit in Tagalog. I feel something like that already. I sweat a lot today, so I badly need a bath. And yeah, what is important for me with bath, it's clean. Yeah, and it's clean, so it's nice. Yeah, there's shower over there if you want a rain type of shower, or use the something that you do like that. You can do it, or take a bath here. You can do it as well. So you have 3 choices to do here, friends. And like in South Africa, we also something like this one, friends. Reuse and help save lives. To save water, you need to reuse if it is necessary. And for the towels, I got 2 large towels and 2 small towels. So this room is meant for 2 people. But I'm just alone, so I could maximize the towels. but they put a reminder here to save water. So as much possible we will not maximize the stuffs over there. And that's great that they put towel here for me to step on after I take a bath. And this is great. Conditioner, lotion, what is this one? Shampoo, maybe this is one. Body wash, and vanity face and nail care kit. Okay, just cotton buds and cotton pad. Glass, soap which is usual, and an alcohol. It's nice, they provide alcohol. It's my first time that hotel provides alcohol. So nice. I'm almost done, friends, and after this one I could take a bath and rest. Hi. So relaxing. Hi friends, and this is the last part of our tour, and it is the bed. Relaxing bed. So yeah, it's relaxing and huge for me. So it's pretty much okay. Comfortable. And that's it for today, friends. Thanks for watching. Till the next video.
Please don't forget to press like, subscribe, and bell buttons.